In today's video, you will learn how to create Prism Lens Effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the normal video footage. And I will apply replicate effect in this footage. Go to effect panels and search replicate. Drag this effect onto the layer. You will see the replicate effect. Go to effect control panels and here you can see replicate effect. I select rectangle shape and click the inverted option. You will increase the shape size. Press Ctrl Shift on this keyboard and increase it. Increase the max feather value. If I play the video, you will see the entire effect. I'll apply this effect another video footage. Select this video layer and copy the replicate effect and paste it another layer. Now you will see the effect applied all these video layers. To get more interesting video editing like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next videos reach out.